Right, so what we've done this time is we've basically connected in an adjustable pot, okay, in conjunction with a 1k ohm resistor. So before we had a 10k fixed, we have 1k 10 times lower and a pot where we can, this is a 100k pot, so we're going to go all the way down, okay. So it's all connected up to the thermoelectric generator and still running from the same cup, and basically we can let the power in. So we can, this time we can let a lot more power in than when we had to take 10k in. So we get brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. It's fucking getting really fucking bright there. Okay. So that's going all the way down to 1k. Now if we put like lower, say 100 ohm, we can go even lower and you even use more of that direct power. Okay. But as I said, as we reduce, when we're just purely running off a capacitor, we actually want quite high resistance there, so it lasts longer. Okay, so we'll basically just disconnect it from the thermoelectric generator, which it is now. You can see how fast that dies off, okay, compared to if we have a lower resistance, okay, a kind of less brightness, okay, so we can actually control that brightness, okay, to where it was before, okay, and then basically it lasts much longer. And this is kind of the trick you have to do, okay, and it's all the key about metering out that power just the right way to a magic circuit, you know, and that's running miles longer than if we suddenly turn this up to brightness, but then it fades away really quickly. Okay, but I think that's a great demonstration. So I think what we should do is we've got the 3 watt on. Let's put a 20 watt LED on there, runs at a much higher voltage, and we'll see what we can get. So I'll just put that down. Take the 3 watt off. Okay, stick the 20 watt on, like so. Okay, 20 watt is on. So basically, let's let the power in. Okay, let's reconnect that up. Okay, so we're now consuming more power again back into the circuit in the capacitor, and we'll just basically turn this down until we get some sort of response. Yes, we have a response. Okay, down we go, brighter and brighter. Look at that blinding brightness. Okay, and as I said, I think with these higher voltage ones, we having even a lower resistance will even be better. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is we'll just we're disconnecting that. Okay, you see how quick that fades away because it's a higher thing. Let's put one of my favourites on. Okay, for this, which is this one, the 10 watt, but it's a lower. The lower voltage is they kind of last. They seem to work better. Okay, with a small amount of energy. Okay, so we collect that one on. Okay, and then basically we're going to turn it on like so. There we are. Powered up the thing, and we just turn this resistance down. There we go. On we go. Turn it up. Turn it up. See, that's really nice and bright. That's really bright. We really like that. Really like that. See that in the dark. Okay, and that's all lovely and lovely. So we can actually see there as well. Lovely and bright. Okay, and as I said, with a low resistance on there, we can get this even brighter, utilising more this kind of power coming out of here. So this is an absolutely great demonstration, and I've actually, I said, one of these mounted a couple of feet away from the ceiling, okay, acts as a pretty good light. I have two of these in one room in the cottage, and basically they provide all their lighting. And I have two settings, one light, one dark, and they work absolute treat. But they're not using a magic circuit, but they're using a sort of a different type of circuit. But yes, I thought I'll demonstrate that. And we can power 100 watt. Hang on,